Okay. Welcome. Can you hear me now? Welcome to our live show, guys. Welcome. Today our topic is welcome to our live show. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Can you hear me? Okay, if you have any question, you can type them. Or if you are interested in equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. Today our topic is how to choose peanut and sunflower oil, pricing, equipment. We can accept pricing equipment, solvent extraction oil, step, and refining, and refining, crude oil step machine we can provide for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Okay, let's start our live show. Our company is doing holdings. Our company is mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil, such as peanut oil, rapeseed oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, cottonseed oil, rapeseed oil, and so on. So if you need equipment for extraction edible oil, you can enter our live show, and I can use the 3D video to show the pricing process or refining process or palm oil, palm kernel oil process, or we can show it for you. Okay, wait a moment. Okay. And if you have some question or if you have some need about equipment, you can type them on comment area. I will answer it for you, or you can find our contact information in comment area. Send a private message from background, and our staff can reply it for you later. Welcome guys. Now we are taking a look at the rapeseed pricing process. Today our topic is how to choose peanut and sunflower oil and rapeseed oil pricing equipment. And the The first step is cleaning various equipment to remove rapeseed internal impurities such as soil and metal impurities and some leaf. This is a vibrating screen. There has specific safe spread impurities with rapeseed, and then the rapeseed will enter this machine. This is a magnetic spreader, and the last clean machine is this. This is a destoner. This is a standard cleaning process machine. We will equip 3 machines for cleaning. And next, the cleaner rapeseed will enter this machine. This is a flaking roll. The rapeseed enters this machine will be destroyed the structure of rapeseed, and after flaking, the rapeseed will become a thin slice. The structure of rapeseed still will be destroyed, and next, the rapeseed slice will enter the roaster to adjust internal moisture content and temperature. The purpose of cooking is make sure the rapeseed fit to price. And next, before price, the steps is pre-treatment. After pre-treatment, the rapeseed will enter the presser. The oil will discharged by squeezing, and then the crude rapeseed oil will flow down to the oil residue scrubber, and then the crude rapeseed oil will be pumped to the filter. In our production, then we will equip the leaf filter to remove crude rapeseed oil into impurities. Some small fiber will use this to remove. Welcome guys to our web show. Guys, if you have any question or if you have some need about equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show. Let's learn about pricing process. And if you need equipment, we can provide production or single machine for you. In the comment area there has our contact information. You can find our WhatsApp number or mobile number, send a private message or give a call for us. Our staff will reply for you later, and we can arrange right sales manager for you, give you full quotation or configuration plan. Our company has overseas warehouse in Nigeria, so if you need, we can transport our equipment for out of China. Our company is located in Henan province, central China. Okay, next let's see the peanut pre-treatment and pricing process. First step still is cleaning. You can see this is peanut kernel, but if your raw material is peanut, we can equip a holder before the cleaning step and equip a kernel husk spreader. Remove peanut husk and then the peanut kernel into the cleaning step. During cleaning, we will remove peanuts internal soil, stone, and some leaf on the plant and metal impurities. After cleaning, we'll get cleaner peanuts. And next, the next step is cracking. This is a cracker. The peanut will be divided for 4 to 6 pieces. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. We are doing holdings and we can provide equipment for extracting edible oil such as peanut oil, rapeseed oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible oil equipment we can provide for you, production line or single machine we have. Now we are taking a look at the peanut pre-treatment and pricing production line. I will introduce the process and equipment. Okay. After cracking, the peanut will enter to the conditioner. This is the conditioner. In this conditioner, the peanut will be adjusted the peanut to increase peanut plasticity, because the next step is flaking. This is a flaking roll. In this flaking roll, the peanut will be the structure of peanut will be destroyed, and it will be divided for 4 to 6 pieces. And next, the last pre-treatment step is cooking. Cooking is make sure to adjust the peanut temperature and internal moisture content to increase oil yield. This is a pre-treatment process. There has a cooker on upper part. In the press cage, there has press screw, and the crude peanut oil will be discharged by squeezing. After pressing, the crude peanut oil will flow down to the oil residual scrubber. In the oil residual scrubber, that has a filter screen, can remove part of fiber in the crude oil and transport the oil residue back to the presser to decrease the oil waste. And the crude peanut oil will be sent to the clearing oil tank. Last step. Finally, the crude peanut oil will be pumped to the filter. In the production line, we will equip the leaf filter because it has a higher degree of automation. And the impurity on the filter screen is easy to cleaning. Don't need worker. It cleaning is automatic. Okay, next, let's see the sunflower oil pretreatment and pricing process. Guys, if you have any question, you can enter our live show. And our company is mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil. We are doing holdings. You can search us in network. We can provide production line and single machine. So if you need equipment or if you are interested in our extraction or edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and we can arrange right sales manager for you to introduce our equipment, introduce our company. And our company has its own factory and engineering team. We can support specialized specific customization for you. And if you are interested in our factory, we very welcome you come and have a communicate with us. Okay, now let's see the sunflower oil pretreatment and pricing machine. First is cleaning. There are three equipment: clean impurities in the sunflower, and then the sunflower will enter the huller. In the huller, the sunflower husk will be crushed, and the sunflower kernel is complete. Next, the mixture of sunflower kernel and husk, and the peel will enter the kernel husk splitter. This is a kernel husk splitter. There has specific sieve and have a upper fine husk and kernel will be spread. Next, the pure sunflower kernel will be transported to the flaking roll. In this flaking roll, the structure of sunflower will be destroyed thoroughly, and oil will be discharged from cell. After flaking, we will get the sunflower thin slice. Its thickness is less than 0.5 millimeter. Before pressing, the last pre-treatment step is cooking. This is a layer cooker that has 5 to 6 layers. The oil seeds into this cooker will be adjusted temperature and internal moisture to increase oil yield in next step. The next step also is an important step. It is pricing. This is a pre-pricer because there has a cooker on the upper. After pricing, the oil will be discharged. And the crude sunflower oil flow down to the oil residue scrubber. And then the fiber and small impurities in the crude oil will be filtered and then transported back to the pricer. Pricing oil residue oil and the crude oil transport to the chlorine oil tank. Settling sometimes. And last step, the crude sunflower oil will be pumped to the filter. After filtering, small impurities will be removed, and the cleaner crude sunflower oil pumped to the oil storage tank for next step. After pricing, the oil residual rate is 6% to 7%. And if you want invest a big scale pricing production line, the oil waste is large. So if you have enough cost, enough budget, you can after pricing process, you can equip a solvent extraction oil production line. After solvent extraction oil, the oil residual weight is less than 1%. It's lower. And next, after pricing, the oil residue will be transported to the package workshop. Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Do you have any questions? If you have any question, you can enter our live show, and I can answer it for you. We are doing holdings. Our company can provide some can provide equipment for extracting edible oil, such as sunflower oil seeds, cottonseed seeds, flaxseed seed, corn germ, palm kernel oil, palm oil, walnut, peanut, rapeseed, and soybean. Many kinds of oilseed extracting equipment we can provide for you. And next, let's see the equipment. Next, I will introduce the feature of equipment. And first, the pricer is hydraulic oil press machine. Its capacity is small. It's suitable for 25 kilogram per hour to 80 kilogram per hour, and it's also suitable for more than 30 cans of oil seeds, such as peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cottonseed, and so on. And it advantage. It also have enough. It can multi-purpose, use many kinds of oil seeds, and it don't need more area. It is cheap, and it also easy to operate. Okay, the next second type is screw oil press machine. Its capacity is higher. It can press. It has the process capacity of more than 1.3 tons per day. You can see it's to 20 tons per day. The screw oil press machine can be treated, and it has higher degree of automatic. It also needs low investment. It's easy to operate. Suitable for many kinds of oil seeds. And third type is double screw cold oil press machine. It's suitable for tea seed, peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, and so on. It's suitable for cold pressing. It's multi-purpose. It has higher automatic and low residual oil rates. Guys, if you want to get free quotation or some configuration planning, you can enter our live show, and I will answer it for you, or you can find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, mobile number. You can send a private message in background or give us a call. Our staff can reply it for you and arrange right sales manager for you. The first type is oil press machine with filter. Its capacity also is more than 1.3 tons per day. It also suitable for many kinds of oil seeds. And after pressing directly to filter, the quantity of crude oil will be increased. So if you want to get a simple production line, we can equip a cooker, oil press machine with filter, and screw conveyor. These three equipment can constitute simple production line. And next is large oil press machine. There add a cooker before pressing to adjust the Welcome guys to our live show. Thanks for your support. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area about our equipment, about the oil pricing process. Thanks for you. And this is a cooker before pricing to adjust the temperature again. Temperature the oil seeds again. And this large oil press machine capacity is higher. It needs more than 9 tons per day, and it will give you high efficiency and higher degree of automatic, higher quality of crude oil. It uses PLC system control. Is whole automatic control. Guys, if you are interested in our equipment, or if you want to get free quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide, we can arrange right sales manager for you, give you these services. And next we will see the palm oil equipment. In palm oil single machine, we have two kinds of presser. The first is the single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. It's suitable for home use. Thank you. Hello. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your like. This is single screw palm oil presser. It's suitable for small investor or small scale palm oil production line, a simple palm oil production line, and it needs worker to control internal pressure, but it's cheap and don't need many area. It's easy to operate. And this single screw palm oil presser has two power systems. diesel and electric system. You can choose it according to need. The next is double screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it can suitable for production line. The single screw don't need use for production line, and because the double screw palm oil presser, there has 2 screws. The 2 screws can move relative to each other, and the palm oil will be discharged by beating. So the oil yield is higher, the quantity of oil is better. It don't work to control, have high degree automatic. Okay, the next, this is palm kernel oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kilogram to 500 kilogram per hour, and the presser internal screw has better wear resistance, and it don't work to control, easy to operate, and it can used in palm kernel oil production line. And next, let's see the production line. This is a simple oil press line. It includes a cooker, a roaster, oil press machine with filter, and between the 2 equipment, we also equip the conveyor to transport oil seeds. Its capacity is 1 to 10 tons per day. It's a small scale plant. And the second type is medium or large scale oil press line. Its capacity is more than 10 tons per day. The equipment is more complete. And there has cleaning machine, vibrating screen, magnetic spreader, cracker, distorter, and conditioner, flaking wall, presser, oil residue scrubber, covering oil tank and filter, and have storage tank. It includes pre-treatment equipment. This production line can give you high quality of crude oil and high yield, so it's suitable for medium or large scale oil press line. This is working process. The first is cleaning. After cleaning, the oil seeds enters the cracker, destroy the structure, makes the oil seeds is divided to 4 to 6 pieces, and then is crushing and flaking. Next is cooking, adjusts temperature and internal moisture. The important step is pressing. The last step is filtering. After filtering, the impurities will be removed. Remove the oil internal fiber. The high quality oil we will get Guys, if you need equipment about extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. And if you are interested in peanut and sunflower oil or palm oil, palm kernel oil, you can leave your contact information and our sales manager can give you free quotation or configuration plan, help you choose equipment according to need. The next is simple palm oil price line. It includes the 3 machines. First is the simple type thresher. Remove the palm fruit from the bunches and give you high efficiency. The next is presser. The single screw palm oil presser and double screw palm oil presser, you can choose. The single screw palm oil presser capacity is lower, just 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. But it has 2 power systems of diesel and motor. You can choose it according to need. And the other one, the double screw palm oil presser, the capacity is higher and it's suitable for production line. The oil residual rate is lower. The last one is plate filter. And in the palm oil production line is a simple palm oil production line. If you want to get cleaner crude palm oil, before plate filter, we can add a vibrating screen to filtering again and remove more impurities from crude palm oil. The next is small scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. Its equipment is more complete. In this production line is divided several steps. Sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, clarification, and vacuum drying. Clarification, filtering, and vacuum drying. After complete process, the quantity of palm oil is higher, and the oil storage time is longer. The quality of storage is more stable. It has a sterilizer and thresher, digester, presser, and the clarification machine and vacuum dryer, steam boiler. The small scale palm oil production line, all we can provide for you. Next is medium and large scale palm oil price line. It has a capacity of 10 to 120 tons per hour, and in this production line, the equipment is more. The process is more, and oil waste is lower. The quantity of crude oil is higher, and the difference with the above small scale palm oil production line is in the large scale palm oil production line at a kernel recovery station. We can get pure palm kernel, and this is process the large scale palm oil process. The first, the FFB is unloaded to the raw material reception station, and then the FFB enters the sterilizer for steam, for heat, and then the palm fruit bunches will be softened and easier to remove palm fruit. In the threshing station, the palm fruit bunches will be cleaner, and then the palm fruit transport to the digesting and pricing station. First, to digest the structure of palm fruit, and then the palm fruit first down to the pricer. Price palm oil, and then the palm oil pumped to the oil clarification station. In the oil clarification station, we will equip 3 equipment for clarification. Remove internal impurities thoroughly. And next, the mixture of kernel and fiber transported to the kernel recovery station. This is the medium and large scale palm oil pricer. The small scale, medium scale, and large scale palm oil production line all we can provide for you, and we have many project cases can give you. If you need, our sales manager can send project document for you. Next is the palm kernel oil production line. Its capacity is more than 500 kg per hour. In this production line, the first step is spread. The first step is spread the palm nut shell and palm kernel. We will equip the cracking and kernel or shell spreader system. And after spreading, we can get the palm kernel. The palm kernel size is large, so the first pre-treatment step is crushing to destroy the structure of palm kernel, make the palm kernel. The palm kernel will be divided for 3 to 8 pieces, and then transported to cooker. Make the palm kernel internal moisture content is suitable for pricing. And next, the palm kernel will be transported to the pricer. The pricer is a specific palm kernel pricer. internal screw has better wear resistant. The screw lifespan is longer. And next, the crude palm kernel oil pumped to filtering. Remove internal impurities where you can get cleaner palm kernel oil. It has in the cracking and kernel shell split system, we will equip the palm kernel nuts grinding sieve, palm kernel nuts cracker, palm kernel shell splitting system. They have the splitter gloom and cyclone. Next, you can get a crushing machine, cooker, palm kernel oil presser, and plate filter. These machines constitute the palm kernel oil press production line. Except the pressing process machine, we also can provide the oil solvent extraction line. This is the oil solvent extraction line. Our equipment capacity is more than 20 tons per day. It's suitable for medium and large scale oil plant because oil solvent extraction line price is high. The production line is expensive than pricing production line. So the medium and large scale oil plant, we can provide machine for you. This is the working process. If you need, we can provide the single machine or production line for you. Welcome guys to our live show. If you have any question, you can enter our live show, and in comment area there has our contact information. If you want to get free quotation or configuration plan, you can send a private message or give a call for us. Okay. This is a hot steel equipment. We have a rotary type extractor, loop type extractor, and ball ring extractor. And this is a toaster. This equipment is an important equipment for the oil solvent extraction line. Okay, the next step, after solvent extraction line and pricing production line, we can get crude oil. There has many impurities such as free fatty acids, pigment, molecular, and odorous molecular, and so on. So if you want to get product oil, if you want to get refined oil product, you should equip refining machine. We have 3 kinds of refining production line. The first is batch type refining machine. It's suitable for small oil plant. Its advantage is less than 20 tons per day, and we have electric heating system and conditioned oil heating system. The batch type refining machine is easy to operate. and it is convenient to change different crude oil. You don't need more area, small footprint. The next type is semi-continuous cooking oil refining machine. Its capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day, and the deodorization section is carried out continuously. The deodorization section is used deodorization tower for deodorization. So the automatic is higher and it can give you higher efficiency. The quality of crude oil is better than batch type refining machine. The next is fully continuous refining machine. Its capacity is 30 tons per day. The whole refining process is fully continuous. Has high degree of automation, high production capacity, and don't need more worker. Maybe 3 to 4 worker can control entire process, and oil waste is lower. The quality of crude oil is the quality of refining oil product is better. The third refining production line, if you need, our sales manager can choose it according to need, according to your capacity, according to your cost, according to budget. This is oil refining process. Physical refining and chemical refining, all we can provide for you. If you want to invest palm oil or palm kernel oil refining process, you should choose the physical refining, and the other refining oil product, you should choose chemical refining. All we can provide for you, and except above equipment, the bottle blowing machine, rebridge, oil storage tank, and filling machine, all we can provide for you. This is our company. Our company is Doing Holdings. It's located in Henan province, central China, and we have our sales network. You can search us, and if you're interested in edible oil equipment, we welcome you come and communicate with us. We can arrange right sales manager for you, introduce our factory, introduce our equipment, and give you a configuration plan. And our company has many certificates. We have its own engineering team can support customizations. Welcome, guys. Do you have any question? If you have any question, I can answer it for you. And our live show will end only have 2 minutes. So if you have any question, you can type them on comment area, or if you want to communicate with our sales manager, you can find our WhatsApp number and mobile number, WeChat number in comment area. there has our number, and you can send a private message or give us a call. Our staff can arrange right sales manager for you. Our company also has overseas warehouse in Nigeria. If you choose our equipment, transport equipment, and after sales services is convenience. Okay, do you have any question? You also can follow us. After following, you can get next start inform in background. Okay, without end. See you next time. Bye bye.